In this video, I am going to introduce you to yet another generative AI tool which you can use to not only create videos but also add some Gen AI features to your videos. When I say Gen AI features, what I mean is that you can add automated captions and you can transcribe your audio into text in seconds using artificial intelligence. You can also customize a lot of things in your videos, such as you can use trendy fonts, you can use animations and emojis. You can also enhance your videos using their trendy assets. You can also add motion and emotions to your video. Also, it also enables you to add sound effects to your scenes and keeps your audience attached and enticed. There are a lot of things you can do. For example, you can generate automatic descriptions and hashtags for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and also Twitter or X in seconds. So there are a lot of things which you can do with Captivate. I already have signed up. So if you are using it for the first time, just click on top right and sign up with your free email account, and then from there just log in. Once you log in, you are presented with this screen. I think it is a very new project, so still they are working on their UI. So let's start with creating a new project. Now here you need to upload, or even you can record any of your video here. So let me upload a video. So I have selected one of my own videos which I was doing a draft about a few days ago, and I'm going to upload it. Let's wait for it to get uploaded, and then you can see this caption. The first step, uploading video, and they're also generating some of the witty comments here, like it's showtime soon and all that stuff. So let's wait for it to get uploaded. One thing I found out that when you are signing up and you're entering your password, it doesn't mask it. So I think they need to work on that one. While it uploads, let's also check the pricing of this tool. So pricing looks a bit expensive to me, especially for the pro and agency account. Agency is fine, but for pro account, I think this is a bit pricey. I think somewhere around 30, 25 to 20, $30 should be good. And for example, in the starter pack, you can have 50 projects per month, 24, 5 exports, and 300 MB per video, which is quite okay. Okay, let's go back and see what it is still uploading. Let's wait for it to finish. So the video has been uploaded, and now I'm presented with this screen where it seems that it has also transcribed it. And then I think the transcription is a bit strange here. So for example, if I click on this plus button, okay, so it means that I can add emojis or something like here. For example, if I have selected this, not doing anything. What is this dolphin sign? Maybe I'll just say this. And then maybe I'll just say something else. Okay, so it has added here now. And then maybe I need to save it. And it will add emojis. So what happens if I play my video?
And I am Fahad Mirza,
There you go.
and
So
we
it
are
is
both
adding the emojis there,
AWS
you can
community
see
builders. Together,
that.
we were looking at building a
And it is
project
also
for DevMember.
generating the
And while
captions
looking
on my
at
video
generative AI, we
plus adding
both
emojis. So this
realized
is cool.
how about Santa Letters?
And of course, if we do it properly and then we can add it
For
on
the
different
backend,
occasions,
it was
it makes
time
it
to
so
get
easy.
building.
Otherwise, if
Building
you try
the
to do it through the
application in
photo editing
Python
tool, it takes a bit
using
of a time.
Amazon Bedrock with Claude model
And
by
you can see that it
Anthropic
is
was
progressing.
very
It is showing
straightforward.
me
With
all that stuff.
AWS Lambda
Okay, now,
using a custom Lambda
okay. Okay, so you saw that, it is when I play the video and I'll play it this time without sound.
layer,
So there you go. You can see that it is displaying all the emojis and stuff, which I added. Okay, cool. And then you can export it from here, and this watermark would appear in the free plans, but if you go with any of these plans, I think this watermark would disappear. So that's it, guys. Pretty interesting tool, I would say. Still, they need to do the work, I guess. but they already have generated some of the videos which you can go and check on their
Do your
website.
tweets hurt the company? Are there Tesla owners?
And I'll drop the link to their website in video's description. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts, share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.